It's nanotech. You like it?
Nanotechnology. By saying this term, we are thinking like this. But the important point is that nanotechnology is truly represents the intersection of imagination and innovation, a field where the impossible becomes possible through the power of very small. Although many problems are being unsolved, but most of the problems are solved by using it. And with the span of time, nanotechnology was made great progress. Hello everyone, I am with you Muhammad Shabir Islam, student of Science Department. Today I introduce to you the most interesting term, that is nanotechnology. In 1959, in an American Physical Society meeting, research Phillips Fryman introduced all the concept of nanotechnology, and the headline was that plenty of room at the bottom. Nextly, in 1974, Norio Taniguchi introduced the term nano. But the concept of nanotechnology takes shape in reality in 1981, when the scanning turning microscope was invented. For this invention, Great Binning Heinrich Rohr got Nobel on Physics in 1986. After that, Great Binning, Kelvin Quade, Christoph Garber invented atomic force microscope, which is the most useful example of nanotechnology. Now, talk about the term nano of nanotechnology, that how small is it. Here, 1 meter is equal to 100 crore nanometer. For better understand, we can say that the red blood cells in our blood are roughly 10,000 nanometer. The diameter of human hair is on average 80,000 nanometer, and the HIV virus is approximately 100 nanometer. At lastly, the works within 1 to 100 nanometer is known as nanotechnology. Is bigger always better? No, the world is shrinking with the development of nanotechnology. As for example, Harvard Mark I, the first computer invented by IBM, was 50 foot of its length and 5 ton of its mass. That is, the computer was like a room. Now, we use strongest computer than IBM's computer, which is possible through the nanotechnology. As for example, smartphone. We are knowing about that the computer which have more switch, the computer is more powerful. In modern computer, transistor is used as a switch, but in previous computer, vacuum tube is used as a switch, of which the size is bigger. For a small number of vacuum tube, it takes a large size, like a room, where 3000 vacuum tube means 3000 bit, which is equal to 0.000375 megabyte only, which is insignificant for modern world. Now the mobile phone, which we carry, has hundreds of gigabytes of storage. This is possible because of use of transistor as switch, and it becomes smaller day by day. Here, silicon is used to make transistor. In present world, nanotechnology is currently being used in almost every field. In agriculture sector, nanotechnology is used to develop nanofertilizers and nanopesticides that release nutrients and chemicals in a controlled way, reducing waste and pollution. Genetically modified crops are also being created using nanotech, such as broccoli, being a genetically modified version of cauliflower. That means the genetic code in DNA of cauliflower has been changed. Through this change, a new variety of cauliflower called broccoli has been developed. Similarly, with the help of nanotechnology, a new variety are being developed by modifying defined crops in various ways, while also increasing the production capacity of plant. Different type of productive seeds are also invented for better production of crops. Nanotechnology has also applications in medical field and has the potential to be used widely in future. Imagine if in the future it were possible to create a nano-sized robot or machine that could travel through human blood to any other part of the body and identify the elements which are responsible for cancer or any other problem and then destroy it. There is also different types of medicines are also invented. Nanotechnology also helps in early disease detection through nanosensor and tissue engineering for creating artificial organ. Nanotechnology is also being used in fabrics to create next generation waterproof clothing. Solar technology is using in a treatment called nanosphere to coat fabrics with nanoparticles, making them not only waterproof but also dirt and dust proof. So this type of cloth should not be washed anymore. Although this type of cloth isn't available in market, but in future we see this type of cloth. We are constantly becoming familiar with various kinds of new technologies. Behind all these technologies, there is in one way or another the contribution of nanotechnology. Most of the future technologies will be based on nanotechnology. At lastly, through this technology, things that seems like dreams today may become reality in future. I hope you all understand my today's topic and thank you for staying with my video.